Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rosetta Stone, start language courses online step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type rosettastone.com and press enter. Wait for the Rosetta Stone homepage to fully load. Look for the login or sign in button, usually at the top right of the page. Click the login or sign in button to open the login page. If you are using a phone, tap the menu icon first if you do not see the login button. On the login page, click or tap the email or username field. Type the email address you used when you created your Rosetta Stone account. Click or tap the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If available, check the Show Password option to confirm there are no typing mistakes. Make sure you are not accidentally adding a space before or after your email or click or tap the login or sign in button to submit your details. Wait a few seconds while Rosetta Stone verifies your account. If you see an error, recheck your email and password and try again. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Return to the login page after resetting your password. Log in again using your updated password. If Rosetta Stone asks for a code, complete two-step verification using your email or phone. After logging in, locate your dashboard or home screen. Choose the language you want to learn from the language list. If you have multiple subscriptions, select the correct plan or account profile. Click Start, Continue, or Resume to open your course. Allow any requested permissions if you are using the microphone for speech practice. Set your level if prompted, such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Confirm your preferences like daily goals, reminders, and lesson length. Begin the first lesson and follow the on-screen instructions to practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.